Listen, you say you want a girlfriend, but your life says you can't even lead yourself. You're not unlucky, you're unstable. And women read instability fast. Every night you cope with porn, scrolling, and fantasies, then you act confused when real connection feels impossible. Keep living like this and you don't just stay single. You stay replaceable. Every single day it's the same cycle. You wake up and touch your phone before you touch purpose. You plan to go out, then you bail, because your confidence is a costume and your social skills are dusty. You open a dating app, swipe for validation, get nothing, and the silence hits harder than rejection. Then you numb out at night. Porn, dopamine, cheap pleasure. Because real intimacy would require real effort. And here's the truth. You already know this. You're not lonely because nobody wants you. You're lonely because your habits trained you to avoid discomfort, avoid rejection, avoid growth. And if that stings, good. Pain is information. Here's what nobody tells you. Dating problems are usually life structure problems. If your brain is addicted to easy reward, your body is soft, and your social tolerance is low, your confidence won't survive contact with reality. We're not doing pickup. We're building masculine stability. Attraction becomes a side effect. In the next 3 minutes, I'm giving you 6 steps to fix this in 60 days. Not motivation, not inspiration, discipline, dopamine control, physique baseline, social reps, and conversation frameworks. Execute this, and you stop trying to get a girlfriend. You start becoming a man who gets chosen. 1. Cut the fake intimacy. Porn and fantasy train your brain to prefer control over connection. High stimulation content wires you to chase novelty and easy reward, and that makes real women feel too much work. Delete your stash and unfollow triggers today, not tomorrow. Today. Set a hard rule. No porn, no sexual content alone for 14 days. Reset the baseline. When the urge hits, you do 20 push-ups, cold water on your face, and you leave the room. Pattern interrupt. If you skip this, you keep chasing women with a brain trained for pixels. If you can't control your lust, you can't lead your life. But here's what nobody tells you. Quitting porn isn't morality. It's power. 2. Build a competence stack, not confidence. You're insecure because you have no evidence you're capable. Real confidence is a receipt. Psychology is clear. Competence builds motivation from the inside, not from hype. Pick one skill that signals competence. Gym program, combat sport, sales, coding. Then you create a daily proof block. 45 minutes. Phone away. Same time. Track reps like a machine. Days completed. Workouts done. Lessons finished. No competence means no self-respect, and no self-respect creates needy energy. Confidence is rented. Competence is owned. 3. Fix your body to fix your mind. A weak body leaks into your posture, your voice, your presence. Your nervous system is your foundation. Movement improves mood control and stress tolerance. Strength builds the identity of I do hard things. 3 days per week. You lift, squat, hinge, push, pull. Simple, brutal, repeatable. You walk 8 to 10,000 steps a day. Non-negotiable. You tighten protein and sleep because chaos shows in your face. If you stay physically sloppy, you keep negotiating with yourself. Your body is your resume before you speak. Now we get to the part most guys avoid because it's uncomfortable. 4. Run social exposure like training. You're awkward because you avoid reps, so your anxiety stays untrained. Exposure works by teaching your brain that social discomfort isn't danger. You build a fear ladder. Eye contact, small talk, invite. Then you do 3 micro interactions daily. Cashier, coworker, stranger. Short, clean, no phone shield, no over-explaining. Most people hide and call it introverted. You train and call it growth. If you avoid this, you stay safe and alone. Social skill is earned in public, not imagined in private. 5. Use a conversation framework. Stop improvising. Your mind goes blank because you rely on vibe and hope. Frameworks reduce pressure and give you a track to run on. Use OPE, observation, personal link, easy question. That's a clean jacket. I'm trying to dress better. Where'd you get it? Ask one follow-up before switching topics. Then exit clean. I'm gonna get back to my friends. Good talking to you. No framework means awkward spirals, and awkward spirals send you back to porn. Men with no plan always fold under pressure. 6. Stop chasing. Start screening. Neediness kills attraction. Standards create gravity. When you act from values instead of approval, you become harder to manipulate and more respected. Write 3 non-negotiables. Lifestyle, respect, effort. Then the 60-day rule. You only date if you're still hitting your competence stack. And if she flakes twice, you walk. No speeches. No paragraphs. If you don't scream, you beg for crumbs. A man with standards is a man with power. This isn't a get a girlfriend checklist. This is you becoming stable. Dangerously stable. Most guys perform confidence. You build it through proof. You don't attract with words. You attract with who you are when nobody's watching. Execute. Don't negotiate. This is how discipline is built. Comment 60 days if you're done being a spectator in your own life. And subscribe to this channel because this isn't motivation. It's a forge. We build discipline here.